Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Just coming down by 12th man now. Of course you probably all heard that sadly that has been sold. It's apparently now owned by the bookies, is it not?
I believe so,
So yeah. Sad to see that sold, sad to see Rob gone as well. Rob's a good lad. Gonna carry on down the slope now. We are of course up the back of the Diplomatic. You can just see the pool area there, if I'm assuming big play area for the kids as well, with water guns, fountains, etc. Looks a nice hotel, that. What is it? Dynastic. Yeah, that is the Dynastic, ain't it? Sorry guys, it's a Dynastic, that hotel there. Apparently charging €15 for use of the pool. Indoor pool, that is though. So not too sure how true that is. Bit mental if it is true though. But still. Hope you're all enjoying your week so far. As we are now starting to come into June, actually. Just last night I was laid there thinking, blooming hell, next Monday I'm going to be 21 years old. I mean, where's time gone, guys? Seems like only a few weeks ago I was a little kid sat in school, like, learning science and all that. And now here I am. Next week I'm 21 years old and another birthday in the place I have happily called home. That's Benidorm. Do of course have the ball over there. Very beautiful restaurant. Haven't been in there yet actually. We always say we're going to go in, but we haven't had chance yet. So might pop in there soon, try them out. We are of course up the back of Pelicanos. And the pool area used for Benidorm as well as just on this back street. You can just see the sort of roof of what I believe is the pool bar used in Benidorm. God, there were some great scenes filmed at that pool bar there, guys. I have no idea who that was. Anyway, yeah, great scenes filmed at that pool bar. Like when you see Matteo have a fight with the new bar staff. That is the pool area used for the Solana as well. There are scenes such as the diving competition between Mal and the Oracle happened. Lots of brilliant scenes all filmed in this area, guys. These bushes on the back as well, believe they're the bushes you see Mick's brother and father climb through when they come over on the make-believe stag do. Do as well have Ink Angelo, I think that is. Dear Angelo Tattoo Studio. I've always thought it was in Angelo Tattoo Studio, but I've been told they do some good work there, guys. So if you're looking for a tattoo in Benidorm, pop in and have a try. Quite quiet down this side today. I think that'll probably be because the market's not on today, but of course, as you will probably know, come market day, it is pretty mental down here. Got quite a lot of people about. Anyway, before I forget, guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I do have my 21st birthday coming up next week, so my PayPal pay me will be down below. If you want to just buy us a pint or something, it is down below, guys. And before I hear you do moan, no, I'm not scrounging for money. No, I'm not begging, I'm just saying it's there. If you want to buy us a pint, it's there. If you don't want to buy us a pint, you don't have to. It's that simple, guys. Got Cafe Martesol just here. Nice little brilliant cafe, actually. Used to love going there for a drink. Think me and Sue will probably be going shopping in a minute. A good shop that is down here that's called... Actually, I don't even know what it's called. God.
Is it costa?
Yeah, costa. That's what it's called, guys. Good shop. Lots of good stuff in there. Some of your English products as well. Very nice bloke. Works there as well. He's very helpful. And if there is anything you want ordered in, he will put an order through for you. So, yeah. God, I'm tired. Sorry, guys, I'm so tired. I'm hot. Haven't had much sleep, but still. There it is, costless. So, I will, of course, end the video here. Hit the like, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.